If you enjoy living vicariously through other people spending their money on Thredup and then unboxing their rescue boxes, then you should like today's video because that's what we're gonna do. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Veronika. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and Depop, and I sell primarily women's clothing, shoes, and sometimes accessories. And I recently started ordering Thredup Funboxes again. I had one box that I got with partially some Thredup credit and that I unboxed live on my channel. I can link that up here if you're interested. And that one was pretty good. And you guys know how it is when you get a good solid rescue box from Thredup. It sucks you back in and you order another one, and that's what I did. I just put it down and I heard like a little metal clanking sound, so I'm very curious to see what's in here. But this box came from Pennsylvania. I ordered it with, again, some credit that I had on Thredup from purchasing things, so credit that they gave me, but then also credit that I got from selling some of my stale inventory. So I think I had like overall a $10 and some change discount. I paid $36 and some change all in all with shipping and taxes after the discount was applied. So that's about a $10 savings compared to what you normally pay when you get it for the regular price, which is $34 or $36 plus $10 in shipping. Yeah, I think it's $34 plus $10 in shipping plus tax. So usually it comes out to like 46 something for me. Let us see what we got. I also got, today I got delivered another Thredup box, which is a 30-pound denim box, and you will see that unboxing very soon on my channel as well. I don't think I'm going to film it tonight. I just finished Relist and Relax. It's a Friday night. If you've never checked out my channel for the lives on every other Friday night, you should. I will link that playlist up here, and you can catch the replay and then also set up your notifications for the next one. Okay, we got polka dot paper at the top, and then something that looks very much like it's going to be Vera Bradley. So we're just going to start with that. We also got some lovely air pouches. Okay, that I think is the metal sound that I heard because it does have a hook. It's one of those makeup travel cases. It's definitely a Vera Bradley because it's also new with tags. And this is actually pretty nice. I don't really have use for that, or I've never used that, I should say, when traveling with my makeup, but maybe I should keep it. It's not really my style. I'll have to see how much they go for online and if it's worth it for me to sell it versus maybe keep it. I do not travel a lot these days, but when I do, putting all my makeup in like one or multiple little containers and things is a struggle. So I don't know, maybe this would be something good for me, but it's new with tags. It's not horrible. I don't mind it. Now this one looks like it's a whole lot of nothing. It's like a little, like it looks like it could either be a case for your glasses or a wallet, and I think I'm gonna say it's probably for your glasses because it opens like this on one side and then it has like an extra pouch over here, and there's like nothing in here. No tags, nothing. It does feel like it was never used, but it also does not have anything on it, so I feel like they just tossed it in there. And if this counts as an item and there's only 10 things in here, I'll be a little upset, but that's kind of the risk you take with Thredup Funboxes. I'm just looking in this box and I see what's all in there, and I'm already like, wow, okay, this is gonna be a smorgasbord. So this is hilarious. Okay, so we got a Swell bottle, which is fairly cool. I'm not mad at that. But look at the branding. It's an eBay one. So somebody probably went to eBay Open. I think it's new because it sounds like there's like a little, yep, there's like the little paper thingy in there. So that's good. Somebody probably went to eBay Open, got that, and is now getting rid of it. So I don't know if and how these sell with the eBay branding on them. Again, it might just be something for me to keep. And I'm curious about this belt. It's a purple and black polka dot belt. That looks like it's straight out of the 90s. Like this looks like somebody on the Disney Channel wore it. Oh, it's a Betsy Johnson. Well, look at that. I mean, that might also work for the Disney Channel. So it's a size large, Betsy Johnson. That is very bright. Okay. Belt. I don't hate selling Betsy Johnson accessories. I don't know how well this is gonna do. It's certainly very Betsy. It does look and feel a little cheap, I'm not gonna lie, but it also has the big buckle. I don't know if that's a thing right now. If the 90s and early 2000s are still coming back, then maybe, but we'll see how she does. All right. This is, ooh, it's a Tory Burch. Okay, it's a small thing, but it's a new with tags Tory Burch that retails for $84. Blue silk. Love key fob. Okay, so it's a little keychain with the Tory Burch logo, and then it says love over here. In green, and then it's a light blue background. It probably looks white on my camera. And then you have your little hook. And yeah, new with tags. Tory Burch. Retail for $48. I don't know if I can sell this for like $20 and make some of my money back. That would be nice. And it was in the plastic. It wasn't sealed or anything, but it's definitely new with tags. So I'm honestly not mad at that. We got some new with tags gloves from The Gap, one size. Smartphone gloves. Okay, so they have the touchscreen thingy. Nice. Literally just plain black gloves. I have a bunch of gloves all over the place that I ended up not using last winter at all because it didn't get super cold. I also haven't been outside during the winter time for an extensive amount of time, so I don't know. I don't know if that would be a keeper or something to sell. It's not gonna make me much. Okay, next up is what I would say is a wallet probably. I haven't opened it, and it has this little airplane icon that I don't know what that is. Okay, and it has a SIM card holder. So that's interesting. So maybe, yeah, for a traveler who switches out SIM cards a lot when going to different countries. I don't see any branding in it, but it's just like a very plain little wallet. Doesn't have a coin pouch, but lots of spots for cards and such. It does have a magnetic closure, so that's nice. I personally like that, but I really don't know what to do with this. It just has that little icon. I don't know if this is anything good. I doubt it, because if it were something good, they would probably say what it is. We got some J. Crew trouser socks, one size, retail for $9.50. They have little doggies on them. Very cute. This would be cute for like a giveaway or free gift with purchase. I don't think I'm gonna sell these by themselves. So for reselling so far, it's looking mediocre, but this might be good. It is a sports bra with a pirate skull logo on there, and believe it or not, it's supposedly Lululemon, unless it's a fake, I don't know. Let's find the size. In case you didn't know, with Lululemon, size dots are usually in the pockets if it's an item that has pockets. If it's a sports bra, it's usually on the inside of the like spots where you would put any like padding and things. Okay, it's a size 8. It does have a style number, so I can look that up. Size 8, black and white striped sports bra, and now I have it all inside out. It's interesting with this pirate thing on it. I don't feel like I've ever seen Lululemon put any like logos or icons other than their own on their stuff, and so I don't know if this is legit or somebody put that on there. It's also peeling off, so I'm not happy about that. So I don't know. We'll see. It's probably not gonna go for much, but it's a clothing piece, and at least I know something about those. Next up, we got a Kipper Clothiers by WMJ Mills & Co. Sale Maker in Greenport, New York. and it's a little tiny duffel bag. Really doesn't fit much. This is the logo tag, whatever. I feel like I've heard of this brand before, but I couldn't tell you what I've heard. It's just like a canvas bag. I don't know if it's anything great. It does have a strap in there, so you could actually, you know, wear it as like a messenger bag. It's a navy blue and like a tan color. I mean, I wouldn't even call this like a weekender or weekend bag because it's tiny. Like, this is a purse size for me. So I don't really know where you would go in that unless you don't really need to bring much, but okay. And then the last thing in here is 2 hair accessories. One is a J. Crew. The other one is not anything, I assume, because I don't see any tags. So it's cute though. It's this little hair piece. It's a little preppy, but okay. That one, and then this one is like a velvety one. And this one is a J. Crew, which I don't know if that's gonna help it at all. I think I would probably prefer this one. I mean, you know, I'm way past my like headband era. They just give me headaches now, so this is already bothering me. Like, it's been on my head for 10 seconds and it's already bothering me. But I don't know if these count as 2 separate items. They were not in a bag together, so let's count them as 2. The bag is 3, the bra is 4, belt is 5, these socks 6, this wallet 7, the bottle 8, the gloves 9, the Tory Burch keychain, which I'm gonna say is the best item in the box probably, 10, this little whatever 11, and then the Vera Bradley is 12. So they send me 12 items, which, given that most of the stuff in here was very underwhelming, I'm glad that they send me 12 items. The Lululemon, I think I can definitely sell. It's just not gonna go for much, especially if that pirate logo is not original, which I kind of feel like it might not be. But even if it is, it's peeling off, so that's not good. Other than that, the sports bra is in good condition. My favorite item, definitely the Tory Burch keychain. It's probably not gonna resell for much. It's just, it's new attack Tory Burch, okay? I am not mad at that. The Betsy Johnson could be okay. I sold like a random Betsy Johnson scarf almost overnight that I found at the bins. And was really surprised by that. So it was just one of those random items that I picked up and I was like, ah, why not? So we'll see. I don't know how our belts do. Other than that, I probably will list the Vera Bradley just because the rest of the box was so meh. The Swell bottle, I might just keep. I don't know. I don't know if people will buy a Swell bottle with eBay on there. I don't really need it though. That's the other thing. Like, I have plenty of like filter water bottles and I don't need like a Stanley or anything like that. I'm not that type of girl, so I don't think I need more bottles because they do take up space. So I think most of these things will either be resold, gifted, or potentially donated. We'll see. I mean, something like this, I'm not wasting time researching whatever flimsy thing this is. That's gonna get donated. But yeah, other than that, not a great box. Not great, but also not horrible. I've gotten way worse from Thredup. If you want to see a really bad fun box that I got that was no fun at all, filming was fun, but the box itself was no fun at all, I'm gonna link a video up here. It's like 2 years old, and I think that may have been the box that stopped me from ordering any more fun boxes. So I'm not going back to like a crazy fun box spree, but as long as I have some credit here and there coming up on Thredup, I just sent them a whole bunch of shoes to get credit for, hopefully, if they sell them. If I have some credit, I can justify buying these boxes a little bit more because I will not buy these for full price with shipping and everything and pay like $40-something. It's not worth that. For $36, this one's still not really worth it, but I can probably make my money back, potentially. If the bag is something good, maybe, but we'll have to see. I hope that this unboxing satisfied your craving for unboxing a fun box and did not give you too much FOMO, because that's my thing. Like, I will watch these and then I get FOMO and then I order a box and I'm disappointed. So I don't know if that helped you with that. If it did, hit the thumbs up, and even if it didn't, hit the thumbs up if you feel like it. I would love it if you subscribed and came back to my channel for more unboxings, for bins hauls, and for what sold videos, and also relist and relax lives every other Friday. So I hope to see you back here soon. Bis bald. Tschüss.